Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Optifine in Minecraft version 1.19.3. So let's get started. So first what you have to do is simply go here to optifine.net, or you could simply go here, type Optifine right here, and you could go here in optifine.net here in the Google search results right here. You can click it and you will be directed to this website. And when you're here, you want to go here on downloads right here, and you want to show all versions so that you can see all the versions right here. And what we want is Minecraft 1.19.3, so we are gonna download Optifine HD UI 13 right here. That is applicable to this version. So let's go click on download, and now we'll be directed to this site, but we just need to wait a few seconds, which is 5 seconds, so that we could skip it. Right here it's now available, so skip here, and you can now download the file right here for Optifine, and you want to keep it right there. All you have to do after you have downloaded it is you have now to install, and this would pop up right here. So what you can do is simply locate your folder, your Minecraft folder right here. Whatever launcher you are using, you should know the location of it, so you can locate it right here. Once you have located it, you can now click on install right here, and it will install the Optifine in your Minecraft. And you just need to simply launch your Minecraft launcher and choose the Optifine version of 1.19.3, and you are good to go. You already have the Optifine in your Minecraft. So don't forget to click on install. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.